Nezzy101 asked me on Instagram, so this is for you, Nezzy. What about muscle mass and pain and strength around degenerating discs and joints and what that can do for it? Nezzy had come to find in his research that if you're stronger, with stronger muscles around a degenerating disc, that they had less pain and had better outcomes. And that is absolutely true. And I encourage my patients who have to have surgery, even though they're in pain, to try to exercise as much as they can going into surgery so that they're stronger and have better muscle mass to stabilize the spine and neck so that coming out of the surgery, the recovery is much faster. So that is critical to health care, particularly spine care. When I do a spinal surgery, it's 50% me and it's 50% you. And if you're not going to exercise and strengthen afterwards, you're not going to get as good of an outcome as if you did.